I want to commend you for taking action and having the desire to improve yourself. A lot of people, they just talk and they're looking to make quick money, but they don't actually put forth the time or the effort that it takes to learn a new skill. I'm going to teach you how to earn 50% every single year for the rest of your life. And you can earn 50% every single year in as little as 15 or 20 minutes every single day. Actually, not even every day. You can make 50% a year by simply working 15 or 20 minutes 5 days a week, because the stock market is open Monday through Friday Eastern time from 9:30 until 4 p.m. So I definitely commend you for taking action, and in my opinion, there is no better way to make consistent money and to become wealthy than the strategies that I'm going to teach you. The other thing is, I know that there are a lot of distractions out there, there are a lot of fake news, there's a lot of competing information, and I can guarantee you and I promise you that if you follow the instructions that I provide you, you will learn how to earn 50% every single year. And I know that experience is the best teacher, so if you decide to try other strategies that I don't recommend, then you're welcome to try that, but I can guarantee you that if you listen, if you have confidence in the instructional videos and in the instructions that I teach you, you will make substantial money without losing money, and you'll also have access to that money to substantially improve your wealth. About myself, I run a website called beststockstrategy.com. You can go there, beststockstrategy.com. You can receive free information. I also charge people for trade alerts, for instructional videos. But if you want to just enter your email address there, you can receive free training videos and free calls that will get you started. I've also created other courses on Udemy, including one of the most highly rated courses on how to get a finance job. It's entitled The Complete Guide to Obtaining a Finance Job. You can search for it on Udemy. It deals with how to get a job in investment banking, hedge funds, private equity. I've also created a guide on how to cure depression and OCD, a few ebooks on that, as well as a few highly rated, or one highly rated course on Udemy about how to cure your depression and OCD. And as I said previously, a course on Udemy on how to obtain a finance job. So this is my third course on Udemy. What will you need in order to learn this skill? What you'll need is either an active trading account, or you can also use a paper trading, which is a fake account where they give you $100,000 in fake money, and then you can practice and you can learn the skill. So what a lot of my students use for the paper trading account or the fake account is they use Thinkorswim. So if you go to Thinkorswim.com, you can sign up for a paper trading account, and then you can put into practice what I teach you here and hopefully learn the skill. The other thing, what you'll need if you want to practice with real money, you will need at least $2,000 in order to start an account, because you're going to need a margin account. Now, you're going to need money in anything you do in order to make money, because whether you're going to try to trade penny stocks or Forex or anything like that, if you have an expectation of turning $500 into $10,000 or turn $10,000 into millions of dollars, you will lose all your money. I guarantee you. Every single one of those people who have claimed to turn $5,000, $10,000 into millions of dollars, they're complete scam artists. They use fake reviews. They create fake review sites. They don't use a legitimate broker like an E-Trade or an Interactive Brokers or a Fidelity or a Schwab. They use fake exchanges and simulations to provide you with fake trades. So the fact of the matter is, and I'm just being completely honest because my job is to provide you with as much value as possible. If you want to make a lot of money in the stock market and you want to have real money, you should have an account that's at least $2,000, hopefully somewhere from about 5 or 10,000. But if you're more interested in just the skill acquisition, then you can go to Thinkorswim and sign up for a free account where they give you $100,000 and you can learn the skill. And because you can apply this skill every single day for the rest of your life, whether if you only have $500 right now or you have nothing, you can still practice the skill, and then once you have money, you can use the skill to multiply your money and to grow it. The other thing is, like I said previously, I'm going to teach you how to earn at least 50% every single year. I'm going to tell you from my vast experience in everything that I've done, from buy and hold stocks, penny stocks, trading Forex, everything else that I've tried from my experience working on Wall Street as an investment banking analyst. The only thing that has worked for me is what I'm going to teach you. As I said previously, you can go to beststockstrategy.com to learn how to get a job in finance. I am available to you, so if you have any questions, you can ask me, you can email me, you can message me here, and I will respond to you as quickly as possible. And you can also check out my other courses if you are interested in obtaining a finance job, or also if you are having some psychological issues, or if someone else you know is having or dealing with any psychological issues like depression or OCD. I've dealt with them myself, and I can help you overcome that. Thank you. And for the next section, we're going to discuss why the stock market is the best way to make money. And I do have a sheet in front of me to make sure that I don't miss anything, so I'm going to try to be as comprehensive as possible.